I'm Jersey. I'm Brennan. And all aboard the crazy train. Hello, my name is Ellen. Buddy's getting horny up in the tree. Let's go.
This is Douchebag McGee. Hello, and welcome to Channel 2 News. I am Douchebag McGee, and I am about to record the fastest man alive. Let's watch carefully.
I actually recorded this about an hour from where he was spotted last because he's such a fast runner that we actually had to get away from him that fast to get footage on him and his astounding abilities. During walking, enjoying the day, they have no idea what's about to happen. There he goes! He's running! He's running! And that's the last to see him. What is he doing up there? So beautiful stuff. The finally run my day. I still come with the car. There's the car. I still come. Wacky Inflatable Arm Floating Tube Man. Hi, I'm Bob, and I'm here at the Wacky Inflatable Arm Floating Tube Man Emporium. I am here to tell you that we are now overstocked with Wacky Inflatable Arm Floating Tube Men. Tired of playing at your playground? Well, you can have an Wacky Inflatable Arm Floating Tube Man at your Evergreen card today. If you're interested in buying a Wacky Inflatable Tube Man, call this number. 1-800 Wacky Inflatable Tube Man. Wacky Inflatable Tube Man. Wacky Inflatable Tube Man.
Hello, I'm Douchebag McGee. We are here at the sighting of the fastest man in the world. We were about to interview one of the civilians that were actually caught this amazing footage on tape. Hello, and what is your name, sir?
Harry Shields.
Harry Shields. That is a very interesting name. Now, tell me a little bit about this experience.
It's very amazing. I was sitting there walking, out of nowhere, this wind, rush of wind, just kind of came by, and that was it. I didn't see nothing. It was like lightning, sort of.
Well, to be honest with you, that was the fastest man in the world. I know it sounds a little far-fetched and a little bit screwball-y, but yes, we tried to catch him, and we actually got footage on him. Now, I must ask you, what is that on your leg?
I don't know. bothering me for quite some time, and it's quite of a pest. I've tried all the creams and all the everything, and it just won't go away. It's just like a dirty little pest. He never leaves. Even when I'm sleeping and making love to my sweet wife, he's there hugging my leg. I can't enjoy anything with him. Nothing. Not no trick cereal. Nothing. Not a nice bowl of anything. And I think he just flatulated on my leg.
Oh God, there it goes.
Truly amazing. Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube men! Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube men! Hi, I'm Bob, and I am from the Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube man Emporium, and I am here to tell you that we are now overstocked with wackable inflatable tube men!
Just keep going, just keep going.
I can't. Tribute to Family Guy.
Wackable inflatable arm flailing tube men!
Wackable. Tribute to Family Guy.
Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube men! Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube men! Hi, I'm Bob, and I am here.
He's still going.
Tribute to Family Guy.
Wackable.
No!
Tribute to Family Guy.
Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube men! Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube men! Hi, I'm Bob, and I am here at the Wacky inflatable tube men.
I'm slowing out of shape.